Archbishop's Moment, sponsored by Uganda Christian University, a center of excellence in the heart of Africa. Join the UCU experience now.
Pray without ceasing. We must pray always. And prayer simply means you have known where power comes from. You have known where resources come from. And you are yet, I'll trust this God always. Prayer without ceasing. It means that we must trust God in all circumstances. It is a call to trust Him, not to trust your pain. It is to trust His doings, not other doings. Even in AI, God is in charge. God is in charge. Or you cannot compete with God. You cannot compete. Other people, they will go and crash and they come back to God. You cannot. I am not scared at all because I know God is in charge of all these things. What is He saying? He says now, I am in charge. I am for you. You just pray. I cannot forget you. I cannot leave you. I cannot abandon you. I cannot forsake you. You are not alone. You are not lonely. Wherever you are, come what may, even at work, even when your check is still the same way. For the last 2 years, I am in charge of that. Even when you are not promoted for the last 2 years, 3 years, and a new person came and was promoted immediately, the Lord is seeing that. He knows how to take care of those details. Just trust Him. Actually, you don't need to go and visit the witch doctors.
Archbishop's Moment, sponsored by Uganda Christian University, a center of excellence in the heart of Africa. Join the UCU experience now.